What's up guys, it's Christian from 252 Squad, and today we are
cutting this stupid thing off.
That muffler is going on the G. I'm sorry guys that I haven't been, making so many videos. I've been working full-time at Colony Tire, and it's been, let me just say that. Seth has also been working full-time, so that's why he hasn't been making too many videos. But everything's cool, everything's fine. We're all still homies. It's just he's like 3 hours away, and I'm, out here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to put a new front bumper on it because a hidden Mini Cooper isn't that bad, but as you can tell, he hates the exhaust because of our neighbors. Neighbors also hate it. But a year ago this week, we put the same exact exhaust on the Lexus. So that's pretty cool. And we are also using brakes and motors on because my... Okay. It is not wanting to come off.
I can't reach that side of it.
Ah, no. The blast pipe is gone. Let's go put this with the remnants of the Lexus's exhaust. Yay!
4 to 6 weeks later.
What's up guys, it's Christian from 252 Squad. The last clip is probably from like a month ago when I got the muffler on, and I got a bit of an upgrade. Yeah. These are some eBay test pipes. I wrapped them in the T-shirt wrap. Let's go put them on. So I'm at work right now because I couldn't do it in my driveway, and he actually got the demon bolt. Don't know how he did, but he did, and you'll be able to. Yeah, let's go. Cat number 1 out. Now time for the other one. So I did it again. You know where I am. In the beginning of this video, you saw that I had a muffler on. Not even 2 weeks later, I'm getting blast pipes again, but this time it's gonna be dual blast pipes.
Five minutes later.
The blowhead gasket. No. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Sir! Bring it over here. Hey, yo, watch out. Y'all need to watch out.
Oh shit!
You're late. Z. Oh, the coupe. Yes. And then there's the sea.